flavorful Malaysian curry laksa recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Malaysia. Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on a culinary adventure to explore the diverse flavors of cuisines from around the world. Today, we're heading to Malaysia to unveil the secrets of a beloved dish, curry laksa. Prepare to be transported by the aromatic and spicy flavors of Southeast Asia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to show your support. Let's dive into the vibrant world of Malaysian cuisine. Quote, to create this mouth-watering curry laksa, here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 8 ounces, 225 grams. Rice vermicelli noodles, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 onion, finely chopped 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 stalk lemongrass, bruised 2 cups chicken or seafood broth, 1 can, 14 ounces, 400 milliliters, coconut milk, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 8 ounces, 225 grams, boneless chicken breast or peeled shrimp, fresh bean sprouts, cilantro, and lime wedges for garnish. Now, let's begin our flavorful journey into Malaysian cuisine. Quote, Step 1. Cook the rice vermicelli noodles according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. These thin noodles will soak up the rich flavors of our curry laksa. Step 2. In a large pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and minced garlic, and sauté until they become fragrant and translucent. Step 3. Add the curry powder and turmeric powder to the pot, and stir-fry for a minute to release their aromatic flavors. These spices will infuse the dish with their vibrant color and fragrant aroma. Step 4. Add the bruised lemongrass, chicken or seafood broth, and coconut milk to the pot. Stir well to combine all the ingredients and bring the broth to a gentle simmer. Step 5. Season the broth with fish sauce, soy sauce, and brown sugar, adjusting the flavors to your liking. These condiments will add depth and umami to our curry laksa. Step 6. If using chicken breast, thinly slice it. Alternatively, if using shrimp, make sure they are peeled and deveined. Add the chicken or shrimp to the simmering broth and let them cook until they are tender and cooked through. Step 7. Now it's time to assemble our tantalizing curry laksa. Place a portion of cooked rice vermicelli noodles in a bowl, and ladle the fragrant curry broth over the noodles, making sure to include some chicken or shrimp in each serving. Step 8. To add freshness and crunch, garnish the curry laksa with a handful of fresh bean sprouts and a sprinkle of chopped cilantro. Squeeze some lime juice over the top for a tangy kick. And there you have it. Our flavorful Malaysian curry laksa is ready to transport you to the bustling streets of Malaysia. The rich and aromatic coconut curry broth, combined with tender chicken or shrimp and the medley of toppings, creates a symphony of flavors that epitomize Malaysian cuisine. If you enjoyed this flavorful journey through Malaysian cuisine and want to explore more exotic recipes, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Your support means the world to us as we continue to bring you amazing recipes from around the globe. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, happy cooking and selamat makan. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more delicious recipes. Quote,